Hi, I'm the Swedish maker and today I'm gonna make a leather notebook cover. I had some scrap pieces of leather lying around from when I made the mouse pad, so I thought I'd make a cover for my notebook. Leather is such a beautiful and nice material to work in. It's robust, so once you've done something, it's gonna stick like this for ages, even if you don't do anything with it. So this is how I did it. So I start off in Photoshop to draw my template, and here I'm drawing a rectangle with the radius set to I think about 60 pixels, something like that. And then I go and change the settings to centimeters, so I know that the template is gonna match my notebook. Here I can change the radius on two of the corners, because I'm gonna tape two pieces of this template together before I cut the leather. So here I'm using the line tool, because I'm gonna draw a line in the template, and that I'm gonna use to cut the leather. After I've cut the big piece, I'm gonna cut smaller pieces. That's gonna hold the notebook in place. You'll see what I mean when I cut the leather later on. And that is actually about it. You can download my template down below in the description if you want to, or you can draw your own to match your own notebook. So here I have taped the templates, and I'm just gonna cut the leather around my template. Cutting off the side part of the template, and I'm going to cut two pieces of leather from it. So here I'm done with the stitching for the first side part. I'm just cutting the thread off. If you want to know how to do leather stitching, there's a lot of great videos on YouTube that you can watch. And here I'm just making sure the cover fits the notebook. And before I sew the last side part, I need to do some kind of strap that's gonna keep the book together in one piece. So here I'm cutting a strap, and then I'm gonna put a button in it. So here I'm putting a button into the leather strip, and when that part is done, I have all the pieces necessary to complete the cover. Now that the last part is done, it's time to sew, and I'm gonna do that outside.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight.
I'll just have to finish up the edges and do that.
All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight.